Jeff's finally getting his camera on his auger. Make it a lot easier for him to line up on this exceptionally blustery day. Wind is howling out there. We could probably reach the rest from the ground, hey?
Yeah, as long as I get it to that last, this crack brace or whatever.
What the heck? So right now we're trying to fill the sprayer with water to empty the sprayer trailer so we can drop that and hook the peat up to that new trailer. Jeff's got me chasing him around the yard for some reason. That's where he was in the first place, son of a gun. No, he's good. You put all the water in the back tanks?
Yeah, I don't
So we don't have to unload it? What's that?
The back tanks were still open and they were full and they weren't overflowing, so it must be like empty. It's been just perfect. I got no jam today.
Do not try this at home. Like we gotta crank it up. Oh, that got her. Success. We will have at least 2 trucks to haul grain today. And if we want, we can use a third one. Doug and I were gorilla taping this morning. Doug and Randy are ready to go. Got both straight cut headers on. First things first. Gotta get the rest of this barley to the dairy farmer. That's where Jeff is right now. Feed for the dairy cattle. Delicious barley. Yummy. I'm going to take the last abyss over to the dairy farm. Meanwhile, Randy and Doug are out with the yellow machine. They're taking a sample of that wheat. Going to see what it tests at. And then we'll see if we're combining today. Getting set up here. Doug's already rolling. Grain cart, Doug, grain cart. Just getting the green machine set up. And we will be harvesting wheat. The wheat tested at 12.8, so it's very dry. Guys are rolling now. Might send the drone up, but this wind could be a real test for it. Doug just dumped. This drone is actually amazing. So windy out. And yet, she hovers. Probably it for today though. Oh no, I took it into the thistles. Trying to be fancy, eh? It's fine. Just a little thistly. I have a little time to screw around because Randy's just clearing a path to open up the field, and Jeff's down there in the grain cart, so he's gonna bring it back, fill up a truck, and then we'll be back to the old operation, but with 2 trucks. Oh, look at all that wheat. Fill her up, bud. Jeff is off. Just dropped off this truck to fill. Perfect timing, because Randy's full over there. Chewing away. Almost done about half this field. Gotta get down there to Doug. Already texting me. Get a full load here. Doug's working on the last couple strips of this half of the field. Okay, yeah, I guess that's pretty much corked. Jeff's just getting back though. Not in a great spot for Doug to dump here. Right in the sun. Just getting back though, so I didn't have time to move. Took a small dinner break. Cooling off a bit, a little less dust, but a beautiful sky to combine into today. That's for my moon lovers. Guess we let Jeff out of the truck. We are down to just one machine, the 9070 New Holland, the yellow machine, as the green machine had to shut down. The grain was too tough for the 690, wasn't feeding. Could have been another issue actually. I saw Randy looking at the combine, unfortunately, but let's hope it's just because it's a lesser machine. So Jeff's in the combine, Randy's been hauling. I'm not sure how late they want to go. So I guess what has happened to Randy's machine, the green machine, is that a belt is possibly broken for the unloading auger. And Jeff just told me that a shear bolt on the concave broke on the yellow machine. So we're shut down. We got a couple fixes to do tomorrow. And Randy's not going to be here, so we'll see if Jeff and I can get things done. Until then, always a pleasure.